Alay niya gumaganon. Nakita mo? Tapos na.
Morning, that's for our magic show for today. Nag-enjoy po ba kayo sa magic? Kung nag-enjoy kayo, palakpakan niya o parang awal. Alright, once again, my name is Steve Ward from United Filipino Magicians sa lamang pero sa Rock Republic Entertainment. Okay, sa lahat ng kilong sa nandito, that's for our magic show for today. Now, let's move on to our next part of our parties, the Blowing Candles Ceremony, together with our birthday family. Tawagin po natin si Mommy.